So we picked up this CRF 150. It's a 08. We got a new chain coming. As you can see, that the spacers all are out. So this chain's stretched and shot. Needs a perch. We got a flying cat in the video. Needs a perch coming. That's coming. And then we got a front rotor on the way because it pulsates in the handle grip. So you know, we're excited. We'll shake out all the bugs, and we'll have a good little toy to beat on a little bit here. But yeah, so it's our new to us used CRF 150R 08. First ride here. Okay. Just get it, keep it on the bike for a minute, and stop it once I get rolling here and stuff. Kids are itching to drive it. Normally I wouldn't do it, but like I said, they just want to do it.
It's got no.
Take a little quick spin. That one right there. Back up and just get us in the view, baby. Yeah, I gotta get it going first, honey. So yeah. So like I said, new to us. Oh, there's a cat there.
There was.
Oops. I didn't realize that.
Sorry.
Oh, we're gonna get the bike up. Stay right around there.